What if blindness could be reversed? Not in a dream, but in a hospital room, through a breakthrough called stem cell therapy. Every year, millions lose their sight due to damage in the retina or cornea, delicate tissues that don't repair themselves easily. But in 2024, something incredible happened. Doctors successfully restored vision in patients using stem cells, the master cells of the human body, capable of becoming any cell type, including those in the eye. In the lab, stem cells were guided to become healthy retinal cells. These were then transplanted into patients suffering from macular degeneration or corneal damage. In clinical trials, patients who had lived in darkness for years began to see light, motion, even shapes and faces again. I saw my daughter's face for the first time in 5 years. This isn't science fiction, it's regenerative medicine in action. The promise of stem cell therapy goes far beyond vision. It's a new frontier in healing the human body from within. For vision, stem cell therapy is offering hope where once there was none. And this is just the beginning. Talk to your doctor, the future of eyesight might already be here.